This video demonstrates the system we developed for collaborative documentation and supervised report generation. The system starts with the collaborative data collection and authorization on a shared board. The data elements include city and camera snapshots as well as voice notes. This board is also an interactive report that allows for review through playback with an avatar. The data collected on the board, along with a set of prompts, is provided to a large language model AI in text form. The AI's output then combined by the city and camera snapshots to generate a draft report. The user can also utilize AI-augmented tools in a special editor to finalize the edits and compile a structured report. We go through each component next. Here, a wall-projected display serves as the shared board. We combined it with an open-source MR visualization platform and made a hybrid MR. With the shared board, the user can see a city slice in higher resolution, in addition to what is shown in the MR environment, and they can control through a slider. They can also take a snapshot of the desired slice to include in the report. With the voice command, they can also add a picture to the report from either the real environment, virtual environment, or both. The user is able to organize the report by simple drag and drop for deleting items or sorting them. A scene recording feature enables the user to capture their voice notes and interactions with the virtual objects while performing the autopsy. This also generates real-time voice transcription split up between captured city slices and photos on the board. As we mentioned earlier, this report is interactive. If the user records while doing the analysis, then any element from the board can be picked and placed into the mixed reality environment. Then, they can view the recorded steps as an avatar representing the user or operator and going back and forth in time. Another feature of this system is the ability for 2 or more people to work on a case simultaneously and collaboratively. Here, 2 users are collecting, analyzing, and sorting data elements. Collected data elements are given to an LLM AI as the text, which figures are included by their references. The AI's output is then combined with the figures in an editor as the initial draft. We call this process supervised report generation. Through this, users have access to voice notes on the right and the structured report on the left. Various visual and editing features are designed and implemented to make the job easier. For example, links from each part of the structured report to its reference in the voice transcription or vice versa show where each one is used in the report, reducing cognitive load and increasing accuracy for the user. The user can edit the draft by manual editing or with AI assistance. One of the options to guide AI in writing is that user can drop a voice transcription onto a text, so the AI tries to merge or add new information if it hasn't already. Any section created or edited by the AI needs user approval and will be highlighted in the text. Another useful feature is the ability to add comments for words or phrases used in the text, which AI can explain them in simple words for non-experts or lay people. And finally, the user can generate the final report with comments and links to the photos and city slices.